This is a demo of Factory I/O and OpenPLC, and here's the block diagram layout of the setup being used. OpenPLC and Factory I/O are running on separate devices and they're communicating over the local network. OpenPLC controls the actuators, which are going to be conveyor belts and a turntable, and it enables or disables them based on readings from the sensors that are in Factory I/O, and this happens continuously as sensors are updated. This is a demo of Factory I/O and OpenPLC. What I have here is a producer which makes pallets with small, medium and large boxes on it. They travel down this conveyor belt until they reach the light array emitter beams, which are these vertical array of them. Depending on how large the box is, it's going to obstruct some of these, and it's then going to move onto the turntable in the middle there. And if we have a medium box, it's going to go straight ahead into this remover. Otherwise, if it's a small or large one, it's going to go left for small or right for a large one. And I've programmed this in OpenPLC, and on the left is the web interface for it, showing the different signals. So the retroreflective sensors are the ones all around on each of the conveyor belts, and you can see that they're active low. Then we can see that the turntable 0 is currently active, which is going straight ahead, and the conveyor belt 1 is also on. And I'll just show in the ladder logic that's used to control all of this. So this is the ladder logic program, and on the left we have sensors, and on the right we have actuators, and in the middle we've got some memory latches. So for the conveyor belt 1, how it works is that it's always on unless something had moved onto the turntable in the center, at which point it turns off, and it doesn't turn on again until the first retroreflective sensor has been crossed on the conveyor belt 2, 3 and 4, which are the ones on the other side of the turntable. Then we have how the small, medium and large boxes are determined, which is a combination of light array 5, 6 and 7, which are these. Then we have how the positive roller on the turntable is controlled, which is any time a box and pallet move onto it for the first time from conveyor belt 1, or if it's a medium box or a small box after turning. And we have turning, which happens only for a small or large box. Conveyor belt 2, 3, 4 and the turntable roller in the negative direction are all determined based on whether we had a small, medium or large box. So I'll just show the simulation in action now. So we've got a medium box, a small box and a large box, and they'll just keep going for a while. So that was a medium box, which is just going to go straight ahead, and on the left you can see the different signals going high and low. This one's going to turn left, and this one's going to turn right. And I'll also show the signals within the Factory I/O itself. So what you can also see is that there's a bit of a delay between the simulation and the monitoring server. And that's because since this is over the network, there's a little bit of latency introduced. So somewhere around like 0.1 of a second is the delay.